Jesus and Mary.
now and forever.
Why do you notice the splinter in your brother's eye, but do not perceive the wooden beam in your own eye? Diyos maraming naga sindugabos. Good morning po sa ating mga nandito sa simbahan at sa ating mga tagapakinig sa Radyo Caritas Marie at sa mga nanonood sa atin sa YouTube at sa Facebook. Alam niyo po, brothers and sisters, no? As a Catholic, we do not interpret the Bible as, sabi nga namin ni Fra Philip sa aming program Caritas Answers Live, hindi po kami, as a Catholic, hindi po tayo nag-i-interpret ng Bible, yung tinatawag na chop-chop. No? Magiging chop-chop lady tayo niya. No? Kumbaga, you do not interpret verse and verse and verse katulad ng ginagawa ng mga so-called Bible Christian. No? Pupulot ng ganitong verse and then ilalagay doon and then kukunin na naman yung verse doon, ilalagay sa ibang part ng Bible, which is not a true way of interpreting the Bible. And so, alam niyo po, maraming variant itong, kumbaga sa COVID, maraming variant. Maraming variant din itong ating gospel today, no? Sabi nga, dito pa lang sa umpisa, stop judging that you may not be judged. No? Sabi ng iba, do not judge if you are not the judge. No? And do not judge the book by its cover if you do not know how to read a book. So, maraming mga variant ng interpretation sa gospel, no? But the truth is, no, we should always interpret it by its full context, no? Because we can be led to erroneous interpretation, no? Katulad niyan, stop judging. Alam nyo, if we will stop judging, hindi na natin kailangan ng Supreme Court o hindi na natin kailangan ng tawag dito, City Hall, no? At paano natin mapaparusahan ang mga kriminal if we cannot judge them? Huh? Have you ever think about that? So if we stop judging, no, based only on the verse itself, no, paano pa natin makokorek, no, yung mga taong gumagawa talaga ng masama if we do not judge them, if we stop judging them? No, that is not the interpretation of the gospel today. No? The true interpretation regarding do not judge is already in the gospel. And you have to really look at it. No? Kasi pagkatapos ng sinabi ni Lord, do not judge, ano sabi niya? No? You hypocrite, remove the wooden beam from your eye first. Ayun. So, Jesus is not telling us not to judge. No? Particularly, or most especially, no, judging the person by what we see. And sad to say, judging the person, no, with our own presumption, preconception, and with our pride, kayabangan, no? Because when we are proud, no, we easily look and judge others' action unjustly. Yung bang, no, ang nakikita lang natin sa ating kapwa ay parati yung mali. Why? Because psychologically, we hide our own defects and weaknesses. Kapag ang isang tao o ang isang chismosa no, magaling gumawa ng istorya para sa mali ng isang tao, it means one thing. He or she is hiding his own defects and weaknesses. No? Yung mga marunong gumawa ng chismis, gumawa ng istorya, no? They do it, why? Because they don't want others to see their own garbage, yung basura na nasa kanilang puso. No? They cannot tolerate others. No? Hindi nila matolerate yung ginagawa ng iba. But they want that others may tolerate what they are doing. No? Hindi nila matolerate si brother, si sister, si no? Pero gusto nila yung ibang tao i-tolerate yung ginagawa nila. No? See? So there is pride. No? And when there is pride, there is this so-called sin of rash judgment. No? Kasi, no? Sa isip pa lang natin, ito. No? Kahit wala pang ginagawa yung tao, dahil sa isip natin na yung taong yun ay may ginawang masama sa akin, dahil yung taong yun ay na-offend ako. So lahat ng gawa ng taong yun, o di kaya yung taong yun hindi ako pinapansin, no? So sa isip natin, no? Yung taong yun, ano man ang gawin niya, mali. No? Because we already had in our mind and our heart, no, a negative preconception of that person. No? And this is wrong. No? No? Marami sa atin, if that is our way of our relationship with others, it will not last. No? What Jesus is telling us is to stop those kind of judgment. No? Yung bang i-judge natin yung tao by means of his religion, by means of his his way of life, and etc. No. Only God knows, sabi nga, di ba? God knows. Only God knows totally a person is. No? And when we judge others by pride, no, in pride, no, we always make mistake. We always make mistake. Nagkakamali po tayo. Nakita lang nakasama ni Father si ganito, ay naku, may relasyon na yan si Father kay ganun. Nakita lang si sister na ay naku, no? Nakita lang na may binigay si ganito sa ganyan, ay naku, kita mo, no? See how we judge those persons, no, out of our preconception, no? Because somebody or someone already told us something. Uy, alam mo si ganito, si ganyan. Ganyan yan, si brother, ganyan yan, ganyan si father. So we already have preconception of that person before we know what really that person is. And sad to say, no? Kapag tinanggap natin lahat ng naririnig natin sa iba, no? Those preconception, we create our own monsters. Gumagawa tayong sarili nating halimaw sa banga. No? Nakapag nandiyan yung taong yun, ay naku, mag-ingat ka, nandiyan si ganyan, no? We already create our own monsters, no? Because of our rash judgment towards others. No? And this is really, no, really contrary to the teachings of Christ. No? Kasi, no, ang gusto ni Lord, magmahalan tayo, di ba? Sabi nga, pagkat ang Diyos natin, Diyos ng pag-ibig, no? Magmahalan tayo at magtulungan. Di po ba? Our religion, kaya nga sabi ni Lord, do not judge. No? Do not look at the splinter of others. No? Why? Kasi kapag nagmamahal ka, no, sa taong nagmamahal, tanungin ko nga kayo, yung minahal mo yung iyong asawa, yung agom, nung iyong minahal ang iyong aki, nakita mo ba yung muta niya? Nakita mo ba yung mali niya? Hindi. No? Yung kapintasan niya? Hindi. No? Kasi kapag nagmamahal ka, ang nakikita mo, yung mabuti sa iyong kapwa. No? And what Jesus is telling in the gospel, no, that if you judge, you look at the defects of others, it means that you do not love that person. And sad to say, sasabihin ko sa iyo, brother or sister, you are not Christian. Hindi ka Kristiyano. Because the true Christian do not look at the defects. On the contrary, a true Christian try to justify the defect of others. Kita mo, itong pagkakaiba sa atin at saka sa mga santo, sa mga banal. The saints, no, Saint Alphonsus, Saint Aloysius Gonzaga, no, the saint we celebrate today, no, the saint, they justify the defects of others. Tayo, we, sad to say, no, anong ginagawa natin? We justify ourselves and we judge others. No? Pag napuna tayo, pag sinabi sa atin, brother, sister, mali yan. Ay, si ganito nga eh. Ay, si ganyan nga eh. No? Para tayong si Adan at Eva. We justify ourselves. Kita nyo? And we judge others. Instead, yung mga banal, yung mga santo, Saint Aloysius Gonzaga, what they do, when they are corrected, they accept it. Sorry po. And what they do, they justify the acts of others. No? Uy, brother, sister, nakita ko si ganyan. Siguro ganyan yan, no? Siguro, no? Nagkamali lang. Perhaps he forgot. No? That's what the saint did, no? They excuse others. They justify the defects of their brothers and sisters. And they do not justify themselves like what most of us, sad to say, did. No? Kaya nga, hingin natin ang tulong ni Saint Aloysius Gonzaga. No? And sa lahat ng mga nagse-celebrate ng kanilang feast day, katulad ni Father Aloysius, happy feast day, no? Today, no? Let us ask our Blessed Mother, let us ask Saint Joseph and Saint Aloysius Gonzaga, no? Really, a treasure for the Jesuit, no? To ask their grace to help us, no? Justify the defects of others and to really admit our faults, no? To take away the pride, take away preconception in our mind, no? So that we may be able to judge good of our neighbors and our brothers and sisters. Praise be Jesus and Mary.